Hi, I'm Alison O'Connor with Larimer County Extension, and maybe you've acquired some new houseplants and you're wondering the tricks to keep them healthy and watered. Well, a lot does depend on the type of plants you're growing. A plant like a peace lily is going to need a lot more water than a plant like a succulent, which is going to need water sparingly. Now, there are a couple things that you can do to make it easier. The first is that you could invest in something that actually reads the moisture levels in your pot. You just stick the probe in there and it will essentially tell you if it's wet or dry. Now, a finger can also do the same thing. So you can use your finger and insert it up to your second knuckle to see if you can get a gauge of whether or not the media is wet or dry. There are also pots that you can get that are considered to be self-watering. Essentially what you would do is you would fill the bottom of the pot, the reservoir, with water, and then you'll notice that there's a canvas strip that's actually going to wick the water into the roots of your plant. But a lot of this is going to be trial and error, what you're growing, the light levels in your house, how warm it is in your house, and you can go from there. But don't worry, Extension can help you if you get stuck.